So I was asked, how do you find my Hog On Welding Gear online? If you're looking for a sweater, a hoodie, a t-shirt, long sleeve shirt, or a tank top, this is how you find it. Go to your Amazon app. Once you get to Amazon, go to search, put in Hog On Welding. And I'm putting in Hog On Welding hoodie. And I go to gear. So all you have to do is put in what you're looking for. If you want a t-shirt, put Hog On Welding t-shirt. If you want a long sleeve, put long sleeve. Also got the baseball long sleeves. So I have at least, I believe, 10 items on Amazon. So if you like the movement, all you have to do is go to Amazon Prime, and I think it takes 3 to 5 days to get delivered. Hog on.